If he can trade,
I
let
can
him
say,
trade.
but listen
Hold
here,
on,
Marco,
listen. If he can trade,
I can say
Manando, you're not
Mark
listening.
trading up, but the
You're
boy
not
is the goat.
listening. Listen. If he can trade, why don't we see his trades? What is he so scared of? He can't fucking trade, bro.
But then, like, the same way you have never seen his trades, you wouldn't see
Because
his
he can't
trades. But
trade.
you like beefing with the you are beefing with a ghost. You don't know
Because
who
he
you're
can't
beefing with.
trade.
Who's trading up, Marco? Have you ever seen the boys? Have you ever seen the boys'
Because he
face?
can't trade. That's the difference.
Nah, but then I'm saying, have you ever seen the boy's face? I know you, Marco Grazin. I see you now. Have you ever
No,
seen
but
trading
that's
up?
because
So you're beefing with a ghost. You don't even know, like, you don't even know who you be. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, this is bigger than you.
bigger than me
Look
way.
at it in a good. Who's
Bigger than
trading
me
up?
way. Bigger than
Who's
me
trading
way.
up? I'm saying, like, you're the bigger person right
No,
now. Who's
100%.
trading up?
But he's
Answer that. Who's
entertainment.
trading up?
He's entertainment. Let's.
You
It's
don't
fine,
even
but
know
it's
who's trading up.
entertainment. I feel like everybody was entertained.
Yeah, like they were entertained. Content was there. That's why I couldn't talk, because
It's
I know your
fine.
screen
Let
is
there be
recording.
content.
Next thing you see this shit on the internet, like, bro, I don't wanna be like, you see such things, man. Nah, like Marco, nah, bro. Like, I know you have money, bro, but don't be doing that, because trust me, you'll see this video on YouTube. I'm giving
It's
you 2 to 3 days.
There's
I'm gonna
many
chill
videos
out.
of me, bro. Nothing changes. There's many videos of me. And all that proves is that someone's going to be like, this guy, let's go follow
So
him. Let's go find out who he is. You must
you're
remember,
saying you
there's
need.
nothing like bad publicity. Nothing like bad publicity. Nothing like it. Publicity is publicity.
So you
Bad
enjoy
or
that.
good, it doesn't matter.
You enjoy seeing yourself on. You enjoy seeing yourself on
I have no
YouTube.
issue seeing myself on YouTube. I see myself on TV. I see myself on whatever. It doesn't matter.
Why don't you start your own YouTube channel then?
I respect them.
Huh?
Hey, Mark, why don't you start your own YouTube channel?
Nah, I wouldn't. Doesn't make sense. Imagine, that doesn't make sense to me.
Okay then.
Honestly, I feel like getting under that boy's skin like just gives me that satisfaction. Like, yeah, did it again. I love getting under his skin. He's just, you know, and the thing is that the way you know how you're getting under his skin is like he'll start speaking in his language. You understand? He'll start like swearing me in his mother tongue or something like that. So for me, content is content, guys. Whether it's whether it's good content, bad content, content is content. Publicity is publicity.
But from like us who are looking up to you, content is not content. It depends on the content
Yeah,
they
but
post. Like,
not
I'm out
everybody's going
here
to go.
looking.
Listen,
I look
Manando,
up to you to the
people
point
choose the content they want
but
to
then like let
listen.
me talk.
People choose the content they want to go watch. If people want to watch content to learn, they'll choose that. If people want to watch content to see who is talking about who, they'll watch that. It doesn't change anything. People who want to learn will watch certain content. People who don't want to learn and just want to listen to the gossip will watch a certain content. It's just the way it is. You with me? Doesn't matter whether it's good, bad, whatever. You understand? And everybody will have opinions. I've come to terms with that. Everybody will have opinions. Everybody will have their own personal opinion. Just like an asshole. Everybody has an asshole. Just simple. So whether he posted 500 times, whether that thing gets 1 like, whether that thing gets 500 likes, nobody cares. You understand? But at the end of the day, what I can tell you, as long as I know that this guy never shows trades and he can't, for me, he never shows trades, he can't trade. If you don't show trades, you can't trade.
That's what I'm saying. You're beefing with the ghost. You have never seen this guy. You don't even know how he looks. But then, like, you going back and forth with him. So, to me, it doesn't make sense because nobody knows Trading Hub. Like, no one knows who's
But
Trading Hub. It's not like
again, we
who
don't give a fuck
listen,
who he is.
we know who is
But
radar, bro.
again, no,
Don't
but
you know
again,
who's radar?
we don't give a fuck who Trading Hub is. I couldn't care less. Other might fear him. He's a little bitch to me. He's just that guy I like calling out, yapping, entertaining, and then telling him to go fuck himself. And then we end it. Or he ends it, or whatever. You get me? That's him to me. He's nothing. He is a drop in the ocean. I take him with a pinch of salt. He doesn't do anything for me. He doesn't do anything to me or for me. He is just that person that I like to call out when he's around. Beef with him a little, then throw him under the bus. It's fine.
That's my
It's
problem. You're
it's
beefing
fine,
with
but
the
at the end of the
ghost.
day, what I'm saying is, I like to just kind of like bring him out, call him out, yagger him on, and then throw him under the bus. You get me? Simple as that. That's what I like to do with him. I like to get under his skin, tell him to go fuck himself, then throw him under the bus. Simple.
I understand you.
He's like, I want it. Scamming is the future. Let's scam together. But you need to know how to trade before you can scam. You see, scamming comes with trading. You need to know at least a little how to trade. At least a little. At least if you know a little on how to trade, then we can scam. We can scam together. I got these guys are doing.
It's bullish on the.
No, so go down to a daily time frame. Check something. So can you see what they did? If we look, they generated liquidity, liquidated it.
Can we see?
Right? There was a generation of liquidity that was liquidated now. Generation of liquidity that was liquidated. So obviously there's a generation of liquidity sitting at the top over here. Either we liquidate up.
Because if you can check the last 3 candlesticks that we have there,
but
that says a
did you
lot.
see the Marco? Did you see the London?
Like,
But you think they're going for that high?
You see on the,
yeah, they're gonna take
you see
the
on the,
high.
what do you call, on the M5, right?
I wonder, hey? I don't know,
M5,
hey?
this price,
I don't know, hey? They
price is breaking and retreating level here. So I thought maybe because you see based on the previous candlestick which was on this side, if you can check, price just keeps breaking and like coming back, breaking and coming back. And the type of candlesticks that we're having there, I'm sort of like a rejection candlesticks, you know. So
Marco,
I'm just gonna wait and see on how it
do you see
goes.
that fair
If you
value
can like
gap
see,
price
I
is
don't know,
holding
hey?
right now?
Because if we look
On
at the but if we look what just took place now, look at this. So here we generated liquidity. Went up, we took that liquidity, and then came back down to take that liquidity. Now, if we look over here, it looks like they're trying to generate. So they're gonna start generating liquidity and then either liquidate to the downside or liquidate to the upside.
But do you see price is holding a fair value gap right
I
now?
think,
I see.
And then
Where?
if you go
I'm
to the
saying-
lower time frame, you're gonna see equal lows up there, and fair value gap that hasn't been mitigated yet, close to that high up top.
Which time frame?
To 5 minutes.
I'm on the 5 minutes.
What are we looking at?
And then look close to that high there. Actually, go lower.
We're
Go
looking
1
at
minute.
this fair value gap, the fair value gap over here.
There's a fair value gap up there. Price is gonna go as close as possible to those highs. That's why I'm holding my buys from the
But
bottom.
they're already sitting there. They're already sitting there. Look at this.
Yes, price is having difficulties
already
in
sitting
breaking this
there.
level here. So like,
Man, I don't believe that zone's gonna hold, because the reason why I
Yeah,
sent
price
out the
gonna
buy
buy now
prior to
because
New
they're
York
high.
is because Marco, if you check,
look that level. So then now let's wait on the M5 because the
Check
price
1
is breaking that
minute.
trend there.
Are you
So it
looking?
looks
Are you looking at this?
price is gonna push higher to there, because before the buy, they generated liquidity, swept the London low, and then we started getting a push towards the upside. So I told them after the sweep, that's when they should start buying. And price hasn't came back. It's still going up. I'm still holding.
Yeah, there. It's going.
we're going
Yeah,
to the high that
They're gonna
you're saying
take it
about, yeah.
for sure.
You got that on.
They're gonna take it.
So now
Yeah,
it means you're gonna be going for the
that's
double
areas
top.
of liquidity above this is orders above those double tops. People that are selling.
I wonder,
So basically that's there.
they look
So
strong, but
price.
not strong enough, eh? They're losing momentum.
But you know how USDT moves. This thing just gets power from nowhere.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't trade US30.
Yeah, this is powerful.
But that's
I'm holding buys.
so my take profits is
You
for
thinking
this
you're gonna
part.
have something like this?
I can't see your screen, Manando. Just zoom out a bit there. Yeah, yeah. We're gonna see price starting to drop after they take that liquidity there above.
Where price reaches that level, and then we be selling.
No, they're struggling to get. They're struggling there, eh?
Like, yeah, they're trying so hard, but then they're failing.
Because
So
that's
it breaks
that
and
value
comes
gap
back.
Marco
It
was
breaks.
talking about. It's already
It takes
tagged.
people.
It's
It is that, yeah.
Like it takes a lot of.
But look at that rejection.
It takes you out. It takes you in, and
price is printing rejection there. People are gonna get in at that fair value gap. It's gonna liquidate them and then go for the equal highs. I've seen this pattern play out a lot of times on US30.
yeah, let's just
Let's see something.
There's no strength in price, but you never know with USDT because
Exactly.
this thing a demon.
Now, if you look at it here, look what price is tapping into. So you see,
And you see now it's peaceful. Look, it's like I'm in a vacation.
look at that. See, they haven't tapped into it. They'll probably get rejected at this level.
Price is just finding it difficult. Maybe it has to complete the pattern because if you can check again, this looks like a what an M pattern.
We could, if this is correct, then I would Sasha this move.
But then again, like price is trying so hard, it's pushing. You know, now we have another candlestick happening on the M5, and it's a bullish one. So if this one fails, then price is gonna reject.
I'm saying that we're taking out that high.
The higher height of this height,
there's a high there,
the nearest one.
Structural high. It's gonna be taken out. There's liquidity. Yes.
This one.
See,
I thought like
my Sasha is at selling pressure. The selling pressure point for a sell, and they're getting rejected.
Yeah, I also see price rejecting, but then it's building up strength and reject it. The thing is, we're on the lower time frame. You know, that's why we see.
But remember, that's the only imbalance left that price would need to tap into, get rejection from, in order to break out. I still see them getting rejected here.
But can they be rejected twice, Marco?
They can.
Because they've been rejected on the first time around.
So what I'm thinking is price comes in to comes into the fair value gap, and then price taps in, and then we generate this liquidity in order to give a
no, but if it can
minor change of
tap and
character
reject,
to the downside.
if it can tap and reject, it might sell off, but then it won't sell that much. It will continue to buy You won't take out that low.
What I'm looking at, what I'm looking at is a situation like this. Reason for that is because I'm looking for them to generate, as they are now, generate this bit of liquidity, liquidate it, then get a rejection from that level to liquidate the low. Then maybe they would go higher.
But then you see the price is rejecting, it's failing, like it's like the momentum that it goes into. Look now, we tapped in again on that rejection. It's like we rejected that level. So it's finding it hard to break, and then we go straight to the equal high.
But now,
the candlestick
if we look carefully over here, there was there it is. You see, there was this level over here that they didn't tap into, that they've tapped into now, that is pushing them lower.
It's gonna take out that high. I'm confident with my setup. We're taking out that high. We buy.
But this year is gonna get them shook.
What do you think? What do you think about the next? What do you call the next?
This one is gonna get them shook. Yeah.
Well. Then that's the price where we're gonna catch people at the wrong side of the market.
I mean, the reason why price gave us the buy at 3 is because of this. We had a London low, we had this liquidity we swept. I sent out the buy here, price pushed up, it came back through this fair value gap. So since we've taken out the London low, the London high is the one resting here.
Look at that. But now, Eternal, go to that fair value gap. We haven't completely tapped into it.
Yeah, we haven't. We just got this small wake.
You get me? We haven't fully tapped into it. Yeah, we haven't fully tapped into it.
But I'm saying even if price comes back, right, it is gonna take those.
Whoa, definitely will.
That you see these equal highs, yeah, it's gonna take. Yeah. This is the London high.